everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am bringing you another Zara haul. I brought you a Zara haul like last week, but I actually, with summer coming, I just feel like I need a few staples to complete my summer wardrobe. I'm not quite there yet, but I feel like these pieces are definitely going to be fun to play with, mix in with a little bit. You know, I love to mix a little bit of high street with those investment pieces. So I will be doing also a video in the next few weeks of what to pack for summer 2022, and that is probably the biggest question I've had over on my Instagram, where people are just not really knowing what to pack, what trends to actually go for, and yeah, I like to try and mix in a little bit of trend, but try to stick with my personal style and pieces that I really truly love. And I definitely have summer pieces that I have had for maybe the last 2 summers that I will return to because I love so much, and I would definitely recommend them as pieces to invest in. But this Zara haul is a little bit more affordable and pieces that I loved that I bought. So it's a heavy box, holy moly. So here we go, let's open up. I almost have kind of forgotten what I bought. So how do I open this? Oh my God. Let's see. God, I'm like super weak. That's not open. Awkward. Okay, there we go. So what I'll do is I will unbox. Okay. I will unbox and then I will do a little bit of a try on. And there may be things that I want to return, so we'll see. But let us start. Oh yeah, fun. Okay, so one of my favorite investment purchases that I bought for, maybe it was last summer, was the Loewe basket bucket bag. I will insert a photo here. I have worn it to death, and it's definitely one of those bags that is, you can't wear during the winter, but is perfect for summer. And it is one that I would definitely recommend investing in. There's ones that are slightly cheaper. I love the Nina Bing ones that she has just brought out, and I would definitely, they're around the 300 mark. But this I saw on a TikToker, I can't remember who, she lives in New York, she's a stylist. And what she did was she bought this, they have it in loads of different colors. So they have like a tan and a nude, tan and black, and then they also have a pink and red, which is really nice. But I don't know if you remember the Prada Rafa bag that went viral like last year. What she did was, because she couldn't justify the 1100 euro, was to get the little Prada badge and put it on there, which looked really bougie and luxurious. So I was thinking of maybe going to see how much those little badges were and doing that. But anyway, this is super handy to have for an everyday tote bag, and especially for the beach, and that was $19.95. So I'm delighted with that. Then I got this little mini dress because I love little mini dresses to wear under either a shirt or a blazer. And this looked really comfy. Oh, it's like kind of stretchy, really soft. It's almost lycra, so it's almost like leggings. But I thought this was really nice just to be able to throw on either for the beach or an evening outfit with cute sandals or heels, and then maybe a shirt over it. So that was as well super cheap, $17.95, and I got it in an extra small to small. It's really stretchy, so thank God. So this is the little polka dress, and again, very cute, just for a casual evening summer look with a shirt over it. Just plain black flip-flops I would wear with it, or maybe even some chunky black leather sandals. But it's really comfortable and not too tight, and yeah, has a good support around the boobs. Very cute. Then I decided to go with this dress. No idea what it's gonna look like on me, but I have a wedding coming up in July, actually in Lisbon. This is a size small, $59.95, and I adore the color pink. So I went with this, and like I said, I don't know what it's gonna be like on, but is it full length? Let me just see. Yeah, actually, for me, it kind of just stops, yeah, almost at the floor. So it's a little bit more full length, but a strapless pink. It's actually quite heavy, so it feels good quality, but I'll see what it looks like on, and you can tell me whether you think I should keep it or return it. Okay, so this is the Maxi Dress, and I kind of love it. I didn't actually think, I don't know if I was able to button it all the way up at the back, but it's a little bit maybe on the tight side. So I think I went with a small. Maybe I would go with a medium, but I think it's just like super cute, and I love the color. It's quite flattering because it stops here just at kind of just below your waist, and then quite flowy, that you don't have to worry about being tied around the bum. It's very comfortable, easy to dance in, and I'm about 5'3", so this is full length on me. It might not be full length on somebody who's a little bit taller, but the Zara haul is becoming quite expensive because I think I'm gonna keep it. Then I loved this little cute top. I thought it would be really nice with like cut-off jeans or just jeans, even like wide leg palazzo pants. I got it in medium, it's $19.95. I actually thought I got it in the green as well, but I must not have. They have it in a lovely green as well. And yeah, I thought it would be super cute for summer, that nice color. I am obsessed with polo tops at the moment. I just think they are, yeah, you can wear them casually and smart. You could dress them with heels. You can wear them even with flip-flops. I just love them. And I love actually shopping polos in the men's section. My tip of the day. Okay, next up are these pants. Ooh, I'm not sure about them. They kind of don't look big enough for me, so these look like maybe I will return. I got a Fourth the Reckless pair, that like set that went super viral like a year ago, and I feel like they didn't wash well, so they wanted another ones that like basically a replacement, but these don't look very good quality, and they also just don't look big enough, and they're kind of like a gray beige, which I thought they were more cream. So let's see how they look on, and maybe they will be going back. They were only, I think they were only $19.95, were they? Yeah, small in $19.95. So these are the pants, and they just don't do it. I don't like the color, and they're too small, they cling, and yeah, just not for me, even though they're super cheap. Not worth it, so I think I'm gonna return these. Then I am hooked on mini skirts at the moment, and skirts are like all the rage at the moment. So I went with this little denim skort, a crossover in the front, and it is jeans at the back, so you don't have to worry about bending over. I got these in a small, and it was $22.95. I just, obviously for summer, I think skirts are so handy. Like even I could pair this with this top and flip-flops, and it's just so cute. Like denim is always the best thing to have for summer. So I'm just gonna show you this top and the skirt, and I'm gonna have to keep both. This I got in a medium, and I am definitely going for medium to have a little bit of like room and slightly oversized, and this is not oversized. I would say this is pretty snug, especially around the arms. There's like no give there, no space, and that's why I hate having things tied around my arms, so that's why I went for a medium. In saying that, I'm not going to return it or change the size because I like it, but if you're looking to go a little bit more oversized in this, I would go 2 sizes up. The skirt, I went with a size small, and it's perfect. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I got more jeans. I'm I think there may be another package arriving today because I definitely bought more stuff than this. I saw this skirt and it may go back, I don't know, but I just really loved it. Maybe it's too girly, maybe it's too over the top, but it's this big bow, and again, mini skirts are just what I'm at basically at the moment. It's all I wear. So yeah, I'm gonna see what this looks like on, see if I can kind of style it casually as well. You can head over to my Instagram or TikTok because that's where I do all my styling videos. So I'll be styling all of these things and different ways to style them on my TikTok. This skirt was $25.95 and it's really, like, the quality is really good and I'm impressed. I really like it. So we'll see. So this skirt I like, but I literally have no idea how I would style it. So it might have to go back just because it's super cute, but I just don't know. I've tried and I can't. I also got these shorts. Oh, it came with the belt. I thought that was just styled, which is great because I actually need I have a black belt, but a beige belt, super handy. I got these in a small and they were $22.95 and they're just plain black Bermuda shorts, kind of. No, not Bermuda, short shorts. But I just thought these would be really handy to have for dressing up things at nighttime that aren't wide leg palazzo pants, because sometimes I can get a little bit sick of that look and overdo it because I love them so much and because I have so many pairs of palazzo pants. I feel like sometimes I overdo it. So I wanted something summery that was still that kind of more dressy look rather than denim cutoffs. These plain black, so we'll see what they look like on. They look quite big, but I have a big bum and thighs, so that'll probably work. Okay, these are the shorts, and I actually really like them. They're a nice fit. I got them in the small and they come with this belt. So I'm going to show you how I would style them. I think I would style with a blazer over. So this is why I got the shorts, because I wanted like something that was just for layering. Black shorts, handy, just to have to cover up your bum and make the top the kind of main event. So I would start perhaps with a blazer and then, okay, so I think this is how I would style it. But they're perfect just for adding on as a little layer underneath. And then last of this package anyway, we'll have to regroup for the next package, are these cargos. And I'm very, very excited because, as you know from my latest YouTube videos, that I am all about cargo pants. These are linen cargo in a very dark green, almost like blackish green. Like, oh my god, they're divine. I am so obsessed and I'm very excited to try these on. They look kind of low-waisted, which I'm into at the moment. $39.95, and I got them in a small. They go down to extra small. So let's see how they fit. And they have like nice pockets at the back. But I will try them on for you and let's see what they look like on. So here are the cargo pants. This is how I would probably style them, with runners and a crop top for summer, and then you can always just throw on a jacket or a white shirt for that extra layer. But yeah, absolutely love, definitely keeping. So let's regroup. I'm gonna go and try all this stuff on, and hopefully the other package arrives in the meantime. Okay, I'm back. And after a full day of filming, I didn't think that this was actually gonna arrive, but the second half has arrived. And this time, live it, learn it. There were so many things in the Zara order that I loved. I wasn't expecting to like so many things. So I'm kind of hoping that in this box there won't be so many things and I'll be able to return some stuff. So let's see. Oh, oof, yeah, I forgot. These things I think I'm really gonna like. So basically I got white straight leg denim from Zara in the last haul, which I showed you, and I'll show you a photo of it here. I love them. I went, I think 2 sizes up, and I think they were just too big. So I went with a 36, so that's a UK 8. So I just went for my regular size. And these are $25.95. But I just loved the fit of the other ones, even though they were slightly too big. So I'm hoping that these won't be too tight on the thighs, because the other ones were really nice on the thighs, just too big around the waist. So let's see how these look. I absolutely adore the color. Yeah, perfect for summer. So here is the straight leg denim. Perfect. So I went with the UK 8. Very nervous to do that because with jeans I always find it too tight around the thigh, but actually they're perfect. Like perfect around the waist. I kind of wish that I had gone for the cream in an 8 as well, because they're not too tight. And I might snip them tiny bit at the bottom, but the good thing about these is that they're cut at the bottom anyway, so you can kind of cut them to your size or height or preference, but super comfy and really good quality. And then the other thing I got was this 2-piece little waistcoat. I love sets because, well, they're just super handy. You can wear them together and you don't have to worry about an outfit, or you can elevate them just slightly with a shirt underneath, or likewise you can wear them separately. So it's almost like a mint or a greenish tinge to this kind of, yeah, khaki set. So I went with the size small in the top, and I think, yeah, top and the bottoms. And I really like this detail of, it looks like you've kind of rolled them over because they're oversized, but actually it's just the way that the waistline is, and I really liked that detail. Slightly different to the million of pairs of wide leg pants that I have already. So let me go try these on and, yeah, see how it looks. So here is this kind of greenish, beigey set, and I'm obsessed. I'm not gonna be returning. Zara, you just totally destroyed my bank account. So yeah, really nice. Small is definitely true to size, and there's a little bit of room there. The top isn't too tight or anything. So yeah, really cute set. So that is the end of my Zara haul. I hope you enjoyed it. It looks like I'm only returning like 2 or 3 things, which, yeah. Anyway, delighted that I got so many things for such a good price. I think all in all it was like 330 or 50 for all of that. So I'll be returning a few things, so it's under €300 for a massive haul. So I'm delighted because I got a few staple pieces there that I can style so many different ways for summer. I will put all of the codes in the description box below, and yeah, let me know if there's any of the things that you liked, if you have any questions, and as always, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. So much Lisbon content coming. You have requested for me to do a hunt for vintage shops in Lisbon. The shopping in Lisbon is insane, so good, and it's just such a small city that it's so easy. So I'm gonna do a bit of a day next week on my own in the city where I go vintage shopping, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me, so keep your eyes peeled for that. And of course you can see all of my styling videos over on Instagram and TikTok. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next week.